there again, everyone. Josie here from Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today, I am going to be doing a first impression review of this personal planner. Personal planner originated or is based in Sweden, and they gave me around $39.95 to spend on their website and choose whatever style I like. So they gave me a coupon that I could use. And let me just show you how the personal planner works out in this clip. So you go to their website, personalplanner.com, and then their homepage will pop up, and there are 4 tabs that you can choose from, either planner, wall planner, notebook, or accessories. I'll be showing you the planner column because this is where I ordered, or I custom made the style that I want. There are types: mini, square, wide, classic. I think there's even an A5 and an A4. So I chose the square one, which is a 5.8 by 5.6 inches and 130 pages in each. There are new cover designs you can choose from. So I chose some sort of a specialized or boho style, and this is actually the design that I've chosen. The website is easy to navigate, very user-friendly. Within minutes, you should be able to set up a customized planner of your choice. You can go horizontal, vertical. You can add different features to be included onto your planner. They do have a free that ruler, marker, and also a plastic insert and some stickers. So let me show you what I have ordered with the coupon they provided me. I just want to let you know, so just to prove that this is from Sweden, here's the custom declaration, and I'm just covering here because of my address. So this is the design that I have chosen. So with my $39.95, let's see, it's almost $40, right, of product materials. I have chosen this square with rounded edges, and I chose this design, which is called the Free Spirit design. And it comes with this protection. Now it's front and back. And as you can see here, there are 2 holes. There you go. You will see there are 2 holes here. And the reason why is because it has an elastic. But this is the one that you can insert. And then you will be keeping it secured and closed. Since I have a separate planner for my YouTube channel, I wanted to use this for next year. That's actually why I chose 2019 to 2020. So first impression, when I saw this, I thought that it is really pretty. The design, because you can choose some colors there. The one on their website's neon green and all the different colors, but I decided to choose the one where there's some kind of like a boho chic style that's happening there. Clean and simple. So I just put here my YouTube name or my moniker, Life at 50 and Beyond, and then I chose 2019 to 2020 because there's no point of me doing the 2018 to 2019 because this year is already halfway through. I like that this cover protects both sides, so just in case I need to bring it with me, it will not mess up my planner. The cover is cardstock and it's glossy, and as you can see, there's some reflection there from the window. There's a beautiful detail on the cover. At the back, there's the Free Spirit with this fern. This one here, once you flip the page, this one is printed in the inner back side of the front cover, and it gives you some form of an introduction about the company. Designed by you when you printed it, because you choose it, made in Sweden, and may contain fibers. And it says here cellulose, no sugar added. Okay, so on this side here, they have this page here where you can type up whatever you like. For example, I kind of decided to keep their hi there, and then I changed the message. I said here, please email my owner when I seem lost. Thank you. And then this is the email address of Life 50 and Beyond. So it gives you a full week here, which is the week number 52 for 2018. If you order something like to start 2019, 2020, you can do that and then get the full week, the last week of the year, which starts Monday the 24th, ends on a Sunday the 30th, and then following one, there's another day that's carried over because it's a Monday, December 31st, falls on the first week of January, which is week 1, and then January 1st to January 6th. So their week starts a Monday and then ends on a Sunday, the weekend being shared by Saturday and Sunday. I have chosen this style because I like the way that it's vertical. I am a lister. Most people that I know that are listers like their planners formatted in a vertical manner. Okay, so that's why I think this one is a good thing to have this double shaded. The shades do alternate. So there's a very pale pink here and then white so that I know which line I'm on or at. Now the design on the top, I chose this design also to coordinate with the designs of the cover. Chose pink and then the fern design here, so to keep it clean. So far, how the layout is, it will mark in red the holiday. And then I added this. This one is a box here for work. So I think what that means is because there's a small clock, so you can see what time do you start work. And then I put some kind of a weather indication here, and then temperature. There's the sun icon, the clear clouds, the cloudy one, which is in gray, and then this one is rain and then snow. Today's workout, I'll show here time and the type of exercise that I've done, which is actually a good feature. So again, these are all optionals. You might, if you want to keep it blank and just with these lines here, that's fine too, so that you have more spaces to write. But I find that I like to track these things as well. Now at the bottom, they have a space here. By default, it's blank with just the month's calendar here, preview. So what I've done is I've added list of the week, my goals. So I like that it has 1 through 10. And then I have added some with graphical prints. Okay, so grid. And then this one for my notes, I just chose rule. Okay. So I noticed here that there are different colors also. So it kind of gives you a little bit of a marker, which I like a lot, on which month you are. It has an indication here in 3-letter codes for the month, January, which is in dark pink, and there are different colors all throughout, all the way to December of 2019. Okay, so let me just flip through. So everything, the thing here is it jumps to the week already. There is no monthly layout. This is a weekly calendar, and your month calendar, the preview here, the small calendar here, which allows you to mark something. And is that something that's a big thing for me? Sort of. So the last 2 days of December fall into the week 1 of January 2020. So you will get that the first week of January. And then there's pages that I've chosen. 4 pages of rule. The dotted pages are 4 also. And then I have the graphs 4 as well. Because what I do is I like doing some numbers also. Whenever I'm calculating something, I like it in graphs. And then for dotted ones, I kind of like to practice my doodling and also my handwriting on the ruled one. And then if I want to use this as a brain dump, although there's not a lot of pages, I'm going to just write it what my thoughts are. Then these are some extra features. It's me an adult coloring book, and then you can just, if you're into that, you want to color, so yeah, you can use this as well. So these are pretty designs as well. So that's the planner. And what came with the planner when I ordered it? These things came with the planner. Okay, this one, they just asked me what color I like, because I think you can choose any color. I think this comes in light gray, pink, very pale pink, and then I think teal or turquoise, but I chose white or opaque. Actually a ruler, I don't know if you could see, but yeah, you could and put it in. It's detachable, you can move it, it snaps on and off. Okay, which is I think is a good feature, and it can be your bookmark too, right, where you're at. So that's where you can flip it. And then this one is actually where you can put, like this one, or this came with it, stickers, so you can put receipts, photos if you want. So this have also some puncture holes, so they probably use some regular hole punchers and they just put some slits. So what I'm gonna do is put the stickers there. Now the stickers, they're matte finish or matte paper. These are functional stickers. There are some emojis as well. There's there's some icons here or circles for let's say if you're traveling or having dinner, you can put that. And then this other designs, the to-do list, and then this conversation bubbles, and some here says happy birthday, different happy birthdays, and there are blanks too if you want to just put it on your own. And then there are these flags here. There's the banner here, and then there are some to-do boxes there, only a few, and then there's some more here. But yeah. And this one, I think if you're buying this separately, it's $3.95. So I think they're designed very well too. And then I'll just put this here, and then I'll probably put it towards the back or maybe towards the front here, and then I can just snap it in. Okay, so that's it, and I'm gonna try to tie this up. Now, since this was $34.95 and I have about $4 left or $5 left, so I got me this pen, and this is a Clicker 05, and this is actually $4.95. I want to actually write on one of the pages to see how it works. So first, before I use the pen that I purchased there, I'm going to use the different pens that I normally use. Ballpoint pen first, so I'm just going to write here with my pen and see if it is going to give some kind of ghosting or shadowing. Not a whole lot. It's actually there. Let me see here. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, not too much. Okay, now let's try this, my Uniball Deluxe. Wow, it still doesn't bleed through. That's amazing. Now let's try their own pen that I purchased there. So that's all you need to do. Okay, and then you could probably use this for, your electronic. Okay. Oh, no ghosting. Well, when there's sunlight, there of course you could see something, but I'm satisfied with that. So what's my verdict? Here's the thing. I like it. So far I do, except for the fact that I wish there is some monthly spread, not just a weekly spread. So that's my biggest thing here. As for the price point, $34.95, that includes the VAT or the value added tax. Since this was purchased from Sweden, so there are some taxes and fees, I'm assuming that are inclusive. So anyway, as far as the price, and there are a lot of planners out there that you can buy, especially at Michael's nowadays carries a lot of options for planners, and you can use coupons on their certain days. I think if they can improve on the price point, that probably would be a little bit more attractive for folks who are like me, who are always skimping on their budget. But is it reasonably priced? I still think it is, but to consider the competition out there, especially here, like I said, at Michael's, and there are some features that I probably would have wanted to be on it, the $34.95 is still a little bit too high. Like I said, I really like it a lot, and I'm almost loving it except for the missing monthly spread and the price point. I would still recommend this product for the quality, and I know that I haven't really used it yet. Okay, so this is just the first impression, and I'm excited to use this. I can't wait for this year to be over so I can get started with it. So the company has agreed to sponsor my giveaway. So in order for you to be included in the giveaway, all you need to say at the bottom in the comments down below is "I want one," and then follow Personal Planner on Instagram or like their Facebook page. Also like this video as well as subscribe to my channel. So those are the simple rules. I'm going to be putting them in the description box below. And if you want to avail of this product, they've given me a discount coupon of 15% so that you can try it out. And the coupon is going to be in the description box below as well. So the giveaway runs from today through the end of June 30th, and I'll be picking the winner on the 1st of July. So good luck, everybody. Hope you join the giveaway, and hope to talk to you again on my next video. Bye bye.